Lay down on your yoga mat with legs bent and feet on the floor as if setting up for bridge pose. Begin to walk your shoulders under your upper back, feeling the chest rise gently. Lift your hips off the mat, coming into a bridge pose, and extend your arms onto the ground, palms facing down. Press firmly into the palms and use this as leverage as you lift onto the balls of your feet and extend one leg up. Bend at the elbows, place your hands on your low back, creating a shelf, and then you can extend the next leg up. So raise your legs, don't turn your head to look sideways as this can injure your neck, and instead keep your gaze forward. Lift up through the balls of your feet, walking your hands further up your back for more stability. Feel the chest reaching forwards. And then you can gently come out of shoulder stand by bringing your feet back over your head as if coming through to plough pose, and roll out from